So I designed this contraption here. Basically this is two of the same gears with an axle and a base. I added a little bit super glue to the axles to keep them in place, and I want to see if we're gonna spin them with an air gun, because it has fins on the side so the air can move them. What will happen exactly? Because people will say that 3D printed gears are not strong. I do believe that they are strong if printed right. They are printed in 1.4mm wall and 1.4mm top and bottom layers, 0.2mm layer height. Just a cheap regular PLA. My design has a EMX. I attached it with one screw, and if this will work, I would like to see if we can shred some papers with this one. So basically we're gonna call it a mini shredder. So let's see how fast, or if we can even turn it with an air. So first, just a normal experiment. I will add a little bit of grease just in case so basically, so the plastic will not burn. That's why I'm adding the grease, because PLA at high speeds likes to weld each other. So let's see. We're gonna add. I have my compressor ready. It's on full blast, which is, I don't know, 8 bar, I think. Let's see. We have an, I think, axle backing out. Let's see the other side. Now I will take just a regular A4 paper, and we're gonna see if we can shred it with our, we're gonna call it a mini shredder. I cannot shred it, but I can for sure eat it. Maybe let's try something harder. Got a piece of cardboard. Let's see with the cardboard. As you can see with the cardboard, yeah, it will eat it, but it will not shred it. Now I want to see what will happen if we're gonna put a towel. This will be fun. Oh, but still, nothing happened to the gears. Nothing happened. I mean, the fins are flying away. I don't know why. What happened to my printer, but still works fine. Try one more time with the towel. Oops, we destroyed it. We didn't destroy the gears, but we destroyed the base itself. It just broke apart, and I knew it when I was making it to make this a little bit thicker, but I did not. And there's again something wrong with my printer. That's why it's doing it. I think it has a clogged nozzle, and I don't know what happened here too with the fins. Some of the fins just flew away when I was spinning it. It still will be a cool kitchen, right? This is the base. Basically it broke them clean off. I mean, if you're printing this one, I'm gonna make it available for free for whoever wants it. But if you're printing this one, I would recommend scaling it up. And you can always find a gear that will match this gears. You can find a gear electric motor with a gear that will match these gears, to give it a spin with the electric motor to have a consistent, and you have a little bit more torque. Because let's say the truth, the air will never have the same torque as an electric motor. So that's what happens with them. But it was a cool experiment. If you're interested into downloading this file, I will make it available on thanks.com. The link will be down in the description. Yeah, cool experiment. I just wanted to see if gears with 3D printed gears will have a trends against high RPM, and they do. I had designed before an RC car which had it had 3D printed gears and a motor gear, and that lasted for a long time. So yeah, quite nice experiment. I just had an idea to make a gear with fins and give it a spin with an air hose, air gun. So thank you for watching, subscribe, like and share, and I hope I will see you in the next one.